قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله.
Faizan from India.
Yes, Sheikh, my question is that when there is a compulsory ghusl, is it necessary to rub the whole body, or we can only pour the water and it does the job?
I will answer inshallah. Faizan from India says, do we have to rub when we perform ghusl and also when we perform wudu? Rubbing is highly recommended because it ensures the cleansing of the organs and ensures that the water has reached it. But if you simply stand under the shower and you take a thorough ghusl under the shower without touching your whole body, but you are certain that each and every area of your body is wet, or if you dip in the ocean or in the river and come out after rinsing your mouth and nose, your ghusl is totally valid, even if you did not rub your body.